Another car dog garage video. I want to try this. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own custom mud flap for your mini bike here. And this is very easy and simple. All you need is Gorilla Tape or zip ties and a drill bit and a drill. And you want like floor mat, toolbox mat, just a rubber mat and some scissors. And all that you have to do is you measure out how much you need here, like this, and you say, I'll have it about right here. And I can just take my fingernail here, and all I have to do is just trace it with my fingernail, and then with that line, you can cut it with your scissors. And now that you got this, all that you need to do is just wipe off the back side or the underside of your fender here with your hand or a wet cloth. Take a piece of tape, cut it to length, and then you can put it on your fender and take it and then just go like that. And take another piece of tape, open it, cut it, slap that piece of tape on, and you are all set. And this really helps when you are mud bogging or going through water or going through just any type of mud or water that you don't really want a line on your back of mud, or you don't want to be sprayed with mud. This really helps to keep your vehicle clean, or your mini bike or go-kart clean, and it's a really useful hack when you really want to mud bog your mini bike but don't want to get drenched in mud. And this is a really cheap way to really help your mini bike to be clean. A really cheap way to do this. And another alternatives, if you have plastic fenders and you don't really care about them, you can drill holes in the fender, then put little holes in your rubber here. And I suggest that you get a thicker mat for that, but this is light duty purposes, and I don't really go mudding that much because there's not much mud in Arizona because there's not much water. And it's really easy and great. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you again on another video of Car Dog Garage. Also share this video with people that may be interested in this type of content. Bye. Oh yeah, if you need fenders welded, hit me up in the comments. Oh yeah, that's my stuff.